welcome to my channel. My name is Grace from Gracie's Diamond World, and if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, I would love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe by hitting the notification bell down below and the subscribe button down there. It's a little bell, goes ding each and every single time I upload a new video. I have got a package today. It's a package today from, I can't remember, it's in there, but we'll get to that in a minute. Before we get to that, why don't we do what we always do and throw some love out to the Patreons of the channel, those that have loved and supported, and all of those of you that have hit a like and a subscribe. If you haven't done that already, here's your chance. Let's throw some music out, let's throw some love out, and I'm going to see you on the flip side. Come on, guys. There you are. Welcome back, welcome back. Well, you can see I do remember which one it is. It's New Craft Day. So this was very, very kindly sent to me by the people over there at New Craft Day. Can't remember exactly what's in here. Not a clue. But that's just the way things happen sometimes for me. So shall we get into it together? Shall we get into it together? How have you all been out there, my loves? Is it all been going well? Now, as you know, I like to kind of put my hand in and lucky dip things, yeah? So I've no idea what I'm going to pull out first. So let's go with whatever. Oh, it's kind of, interesting. Any hoosers? Shall we see what's going on? Let's have a look. Oh, diamond painting sealer. Okay. Milo. Now, Milo is my doggo, and he is wanting to get into the action here. Now, the community is divided. Those that seal their paintings, those that don't seal their paintings. A good diamond painting, in my personal opinion, should not need sealing, especially if you're paying for a premium kit. Oh, okay. How does this even... Does this pull off? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So we've got a little dabber or dobber, a dab. Let's see. I'm curious to know. She says, I'm squeezing and nothing's coming out. Hang on. Oh, well, that would kind of make a lot of sense. Take this out first, right? Hey, Gracie, you know, if you're going to show the people something, you got to show it properly, right? That might work out a little bit better for you. But I think I've got the answer to my question anyway. It comes out clear by the looks of it. It'd be interesting to see, being that that's sort of a surface to get the sealer out, how that would go on a diamond painting, because you won't be able to brush it. Interesting. So I'm not sure how, I don't know how that sort of an application would work, because, you know, you don't want to rub it, because otherwise it's going to pick your diamonds off. There's no other information on here other than it says rapid curing, multi-purpose, all-in-one sealer, non-toxic and safe, clean and gloss finish painting sealer. I might get one of my like smaller budget paintings that I've completed. I'd be curious to know, pouring this on and with a brush or a sponge, how that would go. However, diamond painting sealer, I'm also wondering if it would double up as a glue, like, you know, if you're missing some sticky, whether or not it is actually, no, it's not sticky. So not much I can actually review with that other than tell you that it's there, really, honestly. So anyway, diamond painting sealer. I'll have to do a future video to show you what I think of it and how to apply it on a canvas. All right, let's have a look. What else have I got here? Whatever this is way long. Milo. All right, I'm just gonna open that like that. I have a dog. All right, clearly we're going to have to slice. Ah, yes. Okay, so these have been around for donkey's years. A lot of people have shown them. If this is what I think I got. I'm pretty sure it is. It's very dusty, the bag. But I've not got a set myself, and I've been dying to see just how strong this magnet thing is. So these are, oh, they're actually not too bad. It's actually a magnetic frame. So I don't have my ruler. It's about yay big. I want to say that's 50 centimeters maybe. And so the idea is that, oh, it is a nice strong magnet. I wonder if it'd be good enough to, how big the canvas can be before it falls. So the idea is that you would, I would say, make that the back one. So you get your canvas, let's say that's my canvas. Let's say this is my canvas. You would put one on one side and one on the other. Is that even holding? Nope. It's gonna have to be thin. Well, that might hold. I mean, there's quite a bit more weight in this bag, so. And then obviously you get the bottom part of your canvas, and this, I'm not doing a very good, but you get the gist, you get what I'm saying? And you put that at the bottom, and then that would hang up. And that's actually, oh, I was going to say that is actually holding, but it wasn't. I'm kind of wondering what, oh, no you can't, because I was going to say I would glue them, but no, you can't do that. Oh, you could. If you wanted to, you could actually glue this to the canvas. What are you chewing, Milo? I have a Great Dane, if you didn't know, and he's chewing something behind me. You could actually put a bead of glue here and glue that to the edge of your canvas just for a bit of added security, and then the magnets would hold. So I'm really excited about that. I'll have to get one of my canvases and see what it would look like. Definitely. Okay, so we've got that. And what's this? Oh! Okay, I forgot about this one. So, you know me, guys. I've actually put it away. I was crocheting a blanket. However, I'm always looking out for storage, whether it be for the thread stuff or diamond painting stuff. And this one caught my eye as a little bag. Now, you could use it for diamond painting storage if you take your diamond painting somewhere, I suppose. You know, be creative, think outside the square. You could put, for example, Milo. No, we're not putting Milo in here. You could put, check this doggo out. Come here. See? Say hello to the peoples. There you go. See, now you know who I'm talking to. So if you've got a little diamond painting and you were going walkabout, as we say here in Australia, if you're going on a walkabout, if you're going travelling and you had a little diamond painting, you could put all your paraphernalia in here if you wanted to, like your diamond painting pens, your trays, your wax. And in here, let me see. It comes with 2 zips. I'd completely forgotten that I had gotten this. There we go. You could put a couple of little canvases in here, and of course your diamonds. True. Now, if you are a thread person, obviously then this is for your yarn and wool, and here would be your needles and everything else, right? So it does, look, the material is quite nice, and it's all these, now are these mooses? No, I was going to say, they're not mouses, are they reindeers? I don't know, antelopes. I have no idea. They're the ones with the horns. We don't have them roaming here wild like some parts of overseas do. Apparently some pee in yards over there, but anyway, I'm just saying. It's 2 for 2 videos I've called her out, but I'm not calling you out. Yeah, I did. I just did. If she watches this video, she'll know. To the person who had a deer pee in their yard. There you go. I don't know. What animal is that? Is that a reindeer? What's the difference between a reindeer and an antelope and all that sort of stuff? It's got a carry handle as well. So not bad. Cutesy, right? Cutesy. All right, so we've got that. What a weird combination of products. And there is one more thing in here. Yay, washi tape. Love us some glitter washi tape. I actually find the glitter one works better than some of the others. So we've got, and it's really sparkly. And you look, you know I like me a bit of bling bling. It's always about the Gracie bling bling. So, trying to find the edge. Take me to the edge. Of course I can't find it, can I? Is there even one? I want to see how sticky this stuff is. Come on. My eyeballs are not happening. Is this one going to be any easier? Oh, I feel something. There we go. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. No, I think that might be just a bubble. Oh no. Is it? Here we go. Oh, it's sticky enough. How long it remains sticky, I don't know. But it's not too bad. Not too bad. I can see that it's not, you know, the middle bit, like this, is quite big, but you really don't get a lot of tape as such. So, but if you're just starting out and you're on a budget, hey, have had it, go for it. And you see other people using washi tape and you think, oh, I can't afford and don't want to spend a great amount of money on washi tape, and you want it to be looking pretty, maybe give this stuff a go. So we've got the silver and the pink, then we've got blue, like a blue-grey stars, then we've got green, pink hearts, gold, blue stars, red, sort of almost Christmassy holly, oh my gosh, silver, another green and purple. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. I'll link all of these in the description below. That brings us to the end, I think. Yes, it does. Wow, New Craft Day. Thank you so much for sending these products over to me. I really do appreciate it. Very eclectic group of items. Very, very random. Very, very different. I'll have to try this and come back to you and let you know what I think. I'll try it on a test something. I might, you know what I might try it on? Actually, I might try it on. Do you guys remember when I did my bookmarks? Yes, I reckon I'll do it on those. So watch this space, and I might end up doing a whip and chat on it or something like that. You know, work on it and do a whip and chat at the same time. Anywho's, I'm excited about these. I've seen these around, and I'm sure you guys have for a very, very long time, but I've never gotten myself a set, so it'd be interesting to see how these work out. New Craft Day, thank you so much for sending these products across for review. I really, really do appreciate it. What do you think, guys? Bit different, isn't it? Just a few bits and pieces. With that being said, I've got to go. I'm going to get out of here. Wherever you are in your part of the world, please do look after yourselves. Look after each other and have each other's backs. It's so, so super important. Until I see you next time, okay? Don't forget to tell me what animal this is. Until I see you next, I'm going to send you all much, much love and ciao, ciao for now.